now, today's lesson is adding and subtracting polynomials. Now, if you're unclear about what a polynomial is, like check out the video on polynomials. But right now we're going to talk about how to add them and subtract them, right? So it'd be sweet if I had a polynomial up here. So how about that? All right. So here we go. Here's some polynomials. I know that I'm adding them together because of the addition sign between them, right? Adding polynomials is basically just like combining like terms. So what you do is if you're adding these two groups together, you can kind of just drop the parentheses and combine like terms. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the things that say X together, and then I'm going to put the things that do not say X together. So we're going to group the common things together. That 3X and that 2X, ooh, that was a mistake. I need to put that addition sign in there with the 2. That plus is attached to the 2. What is 3X and 2X when you put them together? 5X, exactly right. So what about then when I put this -4 together with this +3? What do you think that is? -4 and +3 when I combine them together? Exactly right, -1. So that is how you add polynomials together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and kick it up a notch because this was a pretty easy example. So you ready for the next one? Good, let's do it. All right, here we go. All right, ooh, this was a little kicked up from the last one, is it not? All right, so rules don't change. I'm still adding these groups together. So what I'm really doing is kind of simplifying them down, putting all the groups together so I got one group at the very end, right? So we're adding, so I can drop the parentheses. All right, parentheses drop. Now it's time to combine like terms. Now exponents matter, right? So don't forget we put x squares with other x squareds. X's, x squareds, and the x's do not go together. X squareds go with x squareds, x's go with x's, right? All right, so you see any x squareds? There go 1, there go 2. And when I put them together, now, notice how that exponent did not change. When you're combining like terms, exponents do not change. If I put 1x squared together with 3x squareds, I get 4x squared. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of these. And, all right, so now I'm gonna put these two things that say x together. -3x and -6x make what? Exactly right, -9x. And then finally, +4 and -3 together make +1. And you have now added those polynomials together. Ready for one last example? I'm gonna kick it all the way up on this one, of course, all right? Here we go. Oh, that's a good one. Ready? Doesn't change. The process does not change at all. Here's my addition, so I know I'm putting these two groups together. So let's go ahead and drop their parentheses. Bang. All right, let's do it. Let's start off with these x squareds. Are there any other x squareds up here? Let me see. Well, there must not be any other x squareds up here because there's nothing else double underlined. This is the only x squared we have, so you know what? I'm gonna keep that. Let's go ahead with the x's. You see any other numbers that have just an x attached to them? Anybody see any? Ooh, I see one. Bang, there it is. Now let's put those two things together. -2x and +4x make +2x. Very nice. What else? All right, so ooh, now I got an x and a y attached. You see anything else that has an x and a y attached to go with that one? I do. So, don't forget that's a 1 in front of there. So +1 minus 2 makes -1. Same variable combination. What's up, dude? It's supposed to be in 5th period right now. No worries, dog, no worries. And now last but not least, I got a y squared. Any other y squares to combine this one with? Ooh, I see one. Right there at the end. Let's put them together. -1 and -1, when I combine them together, make, bang, that's exactly what they make, -2y squared. Notice, I only have one thing that says x squared, one thing that says x, one thing that says xy. and one thing that says y squared. I'm done. Those have been added together and combined. Well done. Not bad. Next video is how to subtract.